Dali converts the phantoms wrapped in a shroud into an insinuation of subconscious desires. The volumes of the phantoms acquire the forms of that which is desired.
The phantom materializes by means of the simulation of volume. The simulation of volume is the wrapping. The wrapping hides, protects, transfigures, incites, tempts, and provides a dishonest notion of the volume. We become ambivalent regarding the volume, and this makes it highly suspicious.
Among Dali's most famous phantoms feature Napoleon, the Mona Lisa, the pharmacist of Amporda, and the one that appears most in his works, the wet nurse.
When the wrapping falls, it reveals the suspicious volumes as the analytical, clumsy, solid, and gentle appearance of the tiny though monumental wet nurse.